Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News.
At the 27th Annual Grammy Awards held in 1985, reggae music made its historic debut as an independent category. Since then, Jamaicans and non-Jamaicans alike have proudly won Grammy Awards in the Best Reggae Album category, originally called the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Recording, and cemented their places with the music industry's highest honor. Ahead of the 64th Grammy Awards, which will take place Sunday night, here are some historic moments and a look back at the Best Reggae Album category throughout the years. Reggae group Black Uhuru were the first ever Best Reggae Album winners at the Grammy Awards ceremony in 1985 for their album Anthem. The band defeated other equally impressive works. Bob Marley's son and the former lead vocalist of Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers, Ziggy Marley has won a whopping 7 Grammy Awards. His first 3 wins were awarded while still a member of his family band for their albums Conscious Party in 1989, One Bright Day in 1990, and Fallen as Babylon in 1998. In 2007, Ziggy won again for his solo album Love Is My Religion, 7 years later in 2014 for his album In Concert, again in 2015 with Fly Rasta, and once more in 2017 for his self-titled release Ziggy Marley. In 1987, British roots reggae band Steel Pulse were the first non-Jamaicans to win the renowned award with their album Babylon the Bandit. Steel Pulse was first formed in Handsworth, Birmingham, at the Handsworth Wood Boys School with members David Hines as lead vocalist, Basil Gabadon and his brother Colin, Ronald McQueen, and Mikhail Riley. Though King Yellowman was the first dancehall artist to be nominated for Best Reggae Album in 1985, Shabba Ranks stands as the first dancehall act to take home the award for his album As Raw As Ever in 1992. Shabba won again with Extra Naked in 1993. 1 year after the Grammys included reggae music amongst their categories, Judy Mowatt would become the first female ever to be included in the list of nominees in 1986 in the Best Reggae Album category for her compilation Working Wonders. Some fans of rock star Sting question why he ventured into reggae music and did an entire reggae album with Jamaican star Shaggy. Little would those fans know that the collaboration project 44/876 would go on to win the Best Reggae Album Award in 2019. Sting also became the second non-Jamaican act to win the award. In 2020, 20-year-old Spanish Town native Koffee won Best Reggae Album for her EP Rapture. The young Sing J had barely been on the scene for a year at the time, and many argued that her EP wasn't a full-length production. Last November, for the first time in the 36-year history of the Best Reggae Album category, 2 women, one being reggae songstress Etana and the other being Queen of the Dancehall Spice, were nominated simultaneously for the award. The winner will be announced at the ceremony for the upcoming 64th Annual Grammy Awards, taking place at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas this Sunday, April 3rd, 2022. Thank you for watching.